Okay, in this video, I'm going to show an easier way to find RREF and REF, and just an easier way to do operations within matrices. So the first thing you want to do is turn your calculator on. So I'll set mine off. Turn it on. You just press the on button, and then to view matrices, you press second, and click on this button right here that has matrix. All the blue buttons, you have to press second to get to them. So I press second matrix, brings up this menu that has name, math, and edit. I'm going to go down. I've already been working on these, so let's go down to a matrix that's blank. So I haven't done anything in F yet, so let's click on F, and that puts it into my main menu, so I know that that's working and it's an empty matrix. So now I go back to my matrix menu, go back down to F, make sure it's there, scroll over to the edit section, now go down to F, click enter. It's going to ask me for the dimensions. So in this video, I'm just going to be working on the same matrix that I did in the last one, the same augmented one. So if you remember, that was the form of the augmented matrix. So I'm going to put that exact thing in here. So the first thing, it was a 3 by 3 matrix, but it became a it looks like a 3 by 4 matrix right there, because 3 rows, 4 columns. So I'm going to enter it as a 3 by 4 matrix. So I put 3, go over by 4, press enter, and now it's going to ask me for what my very first value is. So my first value on there was a 1. So I enter 1, enter, then minus 1, then 2, then minus 3. I'm just typing them in. It's kind of hard to show that, but 2, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 3, and 7. So there it is. That is the matrix. You can scroll over and check your work. So 1 minus 1, 2, minus 3. I think I entered it all correctly. And now you can go second quit to get back to the main menu. And now second matrix to bring you back to the matrix section of the calculator. And then if you want to do an operation with your matrix, you're going to go to the math section of the calculator and scroll down to, you can see there's all these operations on here. You have like cumulative, sum, REF. RREF is what we want. So let's go down to RREF right there. Click on RREF. Now click on the matrix button to bring our matrix down. Click on F for 3, 4. That's the matrix we want. Put a parentheses around it, and now it's going to find the RREF for matrix F. Press enter, and it will give us that in the RREF form. So you can see it's 1, 0, 0, and then minus 2, and then 0, 1, 0, 7, 0, 0, 1, 3, which is exactly what we got when we did it by hand. And you can see that all that means is that x equals minus 2, y equals 7, and z equals 3. And it did that in about 2 minutes versus all of this work, which would take you about 20. So using the calculator is a lot easier. You can do a bunch of different operations. Basically, just go to your matrix menu, go to the math section, and click any of these that you want. There's a ton of things you can do with your calculator, like determinants, cumulative sum, anything like that. Finding an identity matrix, multiplication. You can just treat a matrix just like any other number. And if you want to bring it down, just click back on the name column, click on a matrix, press enter, it will bring it here, and then you can multiply it by something like that. Like, I don't know what, you multiply it by 2, f times 2 will give you that, and you can see that is what f times 2 was. So there's a whole lot of things you can do on your calculator, especially with matrices, and I hope this tutorial helped.